Look at that. The bus not only has well-developed biceps, but even performs push-ups. Could this be magic? How peculiar for a bus to appear this way. It's common knowledge that double-decker buses are quite popular in foreign locales for shorter journeys, despite their leisurely pace, largely because they are economical. The origin of such an unusual bus is intriguing. It was specially crafted for an Olympic event as a thematic element. A British designer, endowed with a vivid imagination, undertook this endeavor, starting with the traditional double-decker. Upon completion, what was once an ordinary bus now sports a set of arms, complete with biceps finely crafted, and it's capable of performing push-ups when parked, resembling a strong athlete. In fact, no one's guess was wrong. The designer took inspiration from athletes doing push-ups to emphasize the theme. Its operating principle is simple. Once fully charged, the electric power activates mechanical arms on the sides of the bus to do push-ups. Upon closer inspection, its movements are quite precise. However, this peculiar bus is not an unprecedented invention. Previously, a man in his 70s invented the world's smallest double-decker bus, merely converted from an electric vehicle.